National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County, Illinois, Eastern Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, Galveston County, Illinois, Livingston County, Kentucky, Western Crittenden County, Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Thompsonville to 8 miles southeast of Carrier Mills to near West Paducah, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Has issued a flash flood warning for Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Crittenden County, Kentucky, McLean County in Illinois, Galveston, Hardin, Massac, Pope, and Saline, and the following counties in Kentucky, Crittenden, and Livingston. In northwestern Kentucky until 11 p.m. At 5:03 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Torrential rainfall has been reported to produce rainfall rates of over 2 inches in 20 minutes in some locations. Some locations that will experience flooding. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Crittenden County, Kentucky, McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 11 p.m. And from 3 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Torrential rainfall has been reported taking rainfall rates of over 2 inches in 20 minutes in some locations. Some locations that will experience flooding include Evansville, Owensboro, Henderson, Madisonville, Morganfield, Providence, Dawson Springs, Rockport, Sturgis, Calhoun, Breckenridge Center, Marion, Seabury, Dale, Burlington, Livermore, North.
Are you fucking serious? What the hell?
Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south central Indiana, northwestern Hancock County in central Kentucky, until 5:30 p.m. Local forecast. Severe thunderstorm was located near this evening, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Lewisport, Candleton, Leopold, Troy, Petrie, Ranger, Sassafras, Bristol, and Salina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky. Taking a look at your 7-day